What's up guys, this is Phosphorus66 aka CSIMC, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a full screen version of the OOC5 to 5C dimension arrow that I showed you in a previous video. So what you're going to do is you're going to do pole 9 comma square root 3. Press equals, then press uns, and then spam the 2 to the power button like all the way to the max. Then you've put uns in all of them. Divide uns plus, remove the plus, equals AC up, AC left, remove that dot, remove this entire chunk, and replace it with 389295. So what you want to do after that is you want to press 1302965 times, and then after that, press 661144 all the way to the end. Then you press equals when you're done, and voila, there you go. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.